For a very long time, we thought of the adult brain as being finished. Like a sculpture carved from stone, we believed that once you reached a certain age, your brain structure was set for life. But we now know that's not true at all. Your brain is not like stone. It's more like a river. It is constantly, subtly rerouting its pathways and reshaping its landscape in response to your every thought, action, and experience. This incredible, lifelong ability of the brain to change and reorganize itself is called neuroplasticity. So how does it actually work, and what does it mean for us? Your brain is made of billions of brain cells called neurons, and they talk to each other across tiny gaps called synapses. Think of each synapse as a tiny bridge between two neurons. Every time you have a thought, learn a skill, or make a memory, a specific set of neurons fires, sending an electrical signal across these bridges. And here's the magic. The more you use a particular bridge, the stronger your brain makes it. This fundamental rule is called Hebbian theory, which is often simplified to the phrase, neurons that fire together, wire together. So, by firing together, your neurons strengthen their synaptic bridges, making it easier for that same thought or action to happen again. This is the process you feel when you learn any new skill. At first, the neural pathway is weak, like a faint trail in the woods. But every time you practice, you're sending another signal down that path. The neurons fire together, the synapses wire together, and the trail becomes a well-worn, high-speed highway. Your brain is physically rewiring itself to make that skill more automatic. This is neuroplasticity in action. It's not just strengthening connections, it's also weakening the ones you no longer use, a process called synaptic pruning. But that raises an important question. If the brain is so adaptable, why can it be so hard to recover from a brain injury, like a stroke? The brain's ability to change is incredible, but it's not instantaneous. After an injury, a specific highway might be permanently broken. Recovery happens because neuroplasticity allows the brain to try and build new, smaller detour routes. It recruits neighboring areas to try and take over the functions of the damaged part. This process is slow, requires immense effort and repetition, and is sometimes only partially successful. The brain can remake itself, but it must obey the rule. Neurons that fire together, wire together. The hard work of rehabilitation is the physical process of building those new bridges, one signal at a time. I find this to be one of the most hopeful ideas in all of science. Your brain is not a fixed object. It is a dynamic, living network that you are actively shaping every moment of every day. Every new thing you learn, every healthy habit you build, every kind thought you have, it is all physically sculpting the person you are becoming. Neuroplasticity means that change is always possible. It is the biological proof that you are, and always will be, a work in progress. And understanding that our brain can change and learn opens up our next horizon, exploring how our brains handle the opposite, the automatic, unconscious habits and routines that allow us to navigate our daily lives without thinking. Stay curious.